Okay, so basically we're gonna try a repair, well actually simulate a repair on a Scion 2004 XB. Now this got vandalized, but I guess I could now show you how this did work. Basically this, I made a little L. See this? It's that. And that is that right there. Okay. That's a little clip. This is pretty much what will do it right here. There's the sizes right there. 3/4 by 3/4. You could buy this at Home Depot. It's a long piece and you just cut it to size, and in here you just make it 1/2 inch this way and 1/4 inch this way with an 1/8 inch drill bit hole right there. Okay, so this is what can do it in most cases. Now they broke this off, but this basically screwed into here and replaced that little bracket here that is shaped just like this. So all you're doing is replacing and making one of these and screwing it on to hold it if it's cracked and broken there. Now this just goes in like that. After you put it in, that's just going to go in like that, and the other side too. That one's going to go right in there like this. But these have to be out. If you could pull them out and they come out intact, that's great. But if not, you're going to have to get new ones, which they're less than $2 each. No problem. You just push it right in and it clicks right on there. But here's the demonstration. You get this bracket, screw it on there. Yeah, that came out because the bracket is broken, but usually there's a spot in here for you to screw it in. And now this acts, you can leave a little gap in there, but this acts now as the bracket that used to be out of plastic right there. So you just screw that in, and it held a couple times, but like I said, this time they vandalized it and just broke the heck out of it. Otherwise this would go right in there, and then this would go right in here facing the other way, and this bracket is what would fit right in here. But like I said, they vandalized it, and if I really wanted, I could make it longer in there, but it's time to replace it. But it did work 2 times already before they did this. So this goes in there, that goes in there. You'd put the grommets in here first. So the grommet would go right in there. And then you'd get both and snap them right in. Okay? That's all it takes. This little bracket is what could help you out in the cases where it still has enough side on this side and enough places to put it in there. So you'd snap it right in, and these here looks like it's broken, but you could just align it and push it in there. And I have the other videos where you could see actually how I did it, but the concept is this little bracket right here. In most cases it has the surface area in there, and you just make a hole and screw it right in there. Okay, that's it.